Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account on ETSY, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to search for the ETSY login in Google, and now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to click on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official login page of the ETSY, where you can see the register option at the top right corner. So once you click on that register option, you can see the create your account section pops out, and it is asking us for our email address, our first name, and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply click on register and you'll be able to create your account successfully. And just down below it, if you scroll a little bit down, and you can see there is three login option as well, sign up option as well, where you can see you can log in with a Google account, Facebook account, and Apple as well. So in my case, I'm gonna log in with Google for now. So let me click on it. And now to show you a demo, let me choose any of the account. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see the continue option. So just continue, and now you'll be able to create your ETSY account successfully. So basically this is how you can create your ETSY account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.